Namaskar students, how are you? Hope you people are fine. Now let's continue with the chapter 2, the Northern Mountains. But before that, I want to tell you that after this, I'm going to send a PDF format file in which there is going to be text of this chapter in the form of pictures and um, a worksheet accompanied which you have to do in your notebook. So let's continue with the chapter, but first we have to recall what we have learned earlier. The Northern Mountains. Earlier in this chapter, we have learned the Great Himalayan Wall of India. And we have learned that these mountains are located in the north part of India. And they are also known as Young Fold Mountains and stretch in a curve from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. We have also learned that these mountains are divided in three parallel ranges, that is Himadri, the middle one Himachal, and the lowest one Shivalik. We have learned that the Himadri range is the uppermost range and the average height of the mountains is around 6,000 meters. And the mountains like Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga are part of this range. We have learned about Himachal Range. Himachal Range is full of valleys and hill stations. Himachal Range is the second range and is also known as Middle Himalayas. Now we are going to read about Shivalik Range. The name Shivalik is a Sanskrit word which literally means belonging to Lord Shiva, meaning the land owned by Lord Shiva. The Shivalik is the third range, also known as Outer Himalayas or Lower Himalayas. In this map, you can see this yellow line. This yellow line shows Shivalik. And the Shivalik are the lowest and the narrowest range in the entire Himalayan system, lying at the southern part of the Himadri and the Himachal of the Himalayan range. It has an average height of 900 to 1200 meters and a width of about 10 to 50 kilometers. The Shivalik rise steeply from the northern plains of India and Pakistan and run parallel to the main ranges of Himalaya. The Shivalik and the Himachal range are separated by deep and narrow valley called dunes. Dehradun is also one of them. These slopes are covered with thick forest and a variety of wildlife is found in this area. Much land is used for growing crops like rice, potato and maize. Do you think Himalayas are important to India? Yes, Himalayas are boon to India. High mountain ranges and peaks of Himalayas act as a barrier against enemies and play an important role in the defense of our country. It also protects our country from the cold winds coming from Siberia. The Himalayas, second point, the Himalayas are the source of major rivers like Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. These rivers make our land fertile. Third, the Himalayas prevent rain-bearing clouds from escaping northwards beyond India. This causes rainfall in the entire northern India. Do you know that if the Himalayas would not have been there, then India would have not been receiving the rainfall it now receives? There are dense forests to an altitude of 1500 meters. A rich variety of vegetation and wildlife are found in these forests. That is why the wildlife sanctuaries and national parks like Manas, Kaziranga and Jim Corbett are located in the slopes of Himalaya. With this, I like to end this chapter, and now we are going to discuss the question and answers and other exercises of this chapter. Page number 16, Quiz Zone. Exercise A, multiple choice questioning. The highest peak in the Himalayan range in India is. The options are Mount Everest, Annapurna, Nanda Devi or Kanchenjunga. The right answer is Kanchenjunga. Second, the Himalayas have parallel ranges. How many? A, 2, B, 3, C, 4 or D, 5. The right answer is B, 3. Question number 3. From which of the following states are the Himalayas farthest? Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim or Haryana? Now, the right answer is D, Haryana. Question number 4. The Karakoram Mountains are located in option A, Madhya Pradesh, option B, Himachal Pradesh, option C, Jammu Kashmir and option D, Kerala. Yes, it's option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 5. The Kanchenjunga is located in option A, Arunachal Pradesh, option B, Sikkim, option C, Meghalaya, option D, Jammu and Kashmir. Yes, you are right. It's B, Sikkim. Now, let's do fill in the blanks. Exercise B. First, the inner Himalayas are also called. Right, Himachal. Second, the blank are young fold mountains. Yes, this is Himalayas. Third, blank is a hill station of Uttarakhand state of India. Nainital. Nainital is a hill station of Uttarakhand state of India. Fourth, Mount Everest, the highest peak of Himalayas, lies in blank, that is Nepal. Exercise C and D you can do on yourself. They are quite easy. Now, let's answer the following question from the writing zone. Name the 3 parallel ranges of Himalayas. Yes, the 3 parallel ranges of Himalayas are the Himadri, the Himachal and the Shivalik. Question number 2. Name the 3 hill stations, one each in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and West Bengal. Hill station in Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. Hill station in Uttarakhand is Nainital and the hill station in West Bengal is Darjeeling. Name 2 persons who scaled Mount Everest in 1953. The first men to climb Mount Everest were Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary in 1953. Mention 3 ways in which the Himalayas are important to India. First, Himalayas act as a natural barrier to protect us from our enemies as well as cold wind from Central Asia. Himalayas. Second, the Himalayas are the source of major rivers like Ganga, Indus and Brahmaputra. Third, Himalayas prevent rain-bearing clouds from escaping northwards beyond India. This causes rainfall in the entire northern India. You can mention many other points too. Now, after this you have to solve a worksheet which is going to be given in a PDF format file.